how to transfer Major from Bitget wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get withdrawal address of Major token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on Assets and tap on Deposit. Now, click on Deposit Crypto. Now, here in the search bar, you can type the token name. In this case, it will be Major like that. So, after you find your token, now to click on it. So, after that, what you need to do, you can now select the tone as a network. And as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go back and open the Bitget wallet. And now after you open the Bitget wallet, now go and tap on wallet. And from here, as you can see, you can select the Major on your wallet. So if you don't find it, from the top right corner, tap here on the Solana and select the tone as a network. And you will be able to find your token here, as you can see, Major. Now click on it. Now here, tap on send. And as you can see in toolbox, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from a Bybit account. And here set the amount that you want to transfer. If you have the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's optional. After that, click on confirm. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer Major token from Bitget wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.